We're diving into our favorite business structure here, S Corps. Now, maybe it's your favorite, maybe it's not, but I know it is up there. We've got a lot of great entity types, and we're diving through S Corps. Now, the purpose of this is going to be to provide a business structure that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the pass-through tax benefits of a partnership or sole proprietorship. Just a little background and history on here to kind of help understand where this came from. This type of entity was created under the 1958 Subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code with the passage of the Small Business Act. The goal here was to encourage the growth of small businesses by eliminating the double taxation that affects C corporations while still offering liability protection. This is a lot of what we did cover as well in the business structures lesson. That was definitely a layup for what we've got here. We're going for the slam dunk. This is going to be a lot dealing with the specifics of an S Corp rather than kind of the building it out as we did there. Both are important. Both go together very well. And we're going to dive in eligibility and election. What are the specifics to make an S Corp? Because as we mentioned back in business structures, this is more so for small businesses to help them kind of survive. This is never going to be your Nike or Dick's Sporting Goods or McDonald's or any of these big companies. This is going to be a smaller business closely held. Choosing an S Corp structure over the other entity types. Well, there's several reasons why you may choose this. Simply put, it has got limited liability and pass-through taxation. I'd say the most similar to an S Corp is actually going to be kind of an LLC. And with those, there are different reasons in choosing either an LLC or an S Corp. To that, I would refer you back to the business structures lesson. There's a slide even there comparing the two different reasons for each type of entity. We've also got self-employment tax, savings, and corporate formalities. I'm not diving into the specifics. Feel free to read. This is just some background knowledge, also a lot of what was talked about back in our business structures lesson. So just to save time, feel free to pause if you want to read a little bit further. But nothing here too wild, crazy. This is just, again, remember that an S Corp is a corporation that elected to become an S Corp rather than it being an LLC. So that's one big distinction here. The impact it will have, we'll see through lots of examples, numerical and otherwise. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.